Imagine having a hiccup. Now, imagine it not stopping. For 68 years, this was Charles Osborne's reality. Back in 1922, what seemed like an ordinary hiccup began. Little did Charles know, it would shape his entire life. Hiccups, for Charles, weren't just a minor inconvenience. They were a constant companion, hiccuping around 40 times a minute. Through decades, doctors were baffled. Despite numerous attempts, a cure remained elusive. Charles's condition was unique, a medical anomaly. Yet, Charles didn't let his condition define him. He lived a fulfilling life, farming, marrying, and even fathering 8 children. In 1990, as quietly as they began, the hiccup stopped. Charles Osborne had lived a life that was truly extraordinary.